Anthropology as an optional, best optional for civil services preparation. At Vishnu IAS Academy, we are coming up with Anthropology full course on October 26th. In this particular course, I am going to explain about the anthropology from foundation to advanced level of teaching. Number 2, there will be a integrated coaching as well as 2 books will be provided. Hard copy will be posted to your address. And regular value added content, 1.5 hours will be the classroom discussion and 30 minutes. In that 30 minutes, 15 minutes will be for previous year's question and 15 minutes will be daily. One question will be provided and you will be writing the answer in the classroom itself. In that way, every day you will be having 2 hours of classes. With classes, you will be provided with full length mentorship for lifelong, and the classes will be for 1 year. Recorded videos also will be provided as accessibility. Not only that, daily answer writing practice will be there. With that, every Sunday you will be having the test. 500 plus model answers will be provided and 800 case studies will be provided in this particular course. 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. I am your anthropology faculty, the national renowned faculty. You can call me anytime for your anthropology related queries. I hope this particular anthropology course will help you to take proper optional and to score more than 300 plus marks, and I am damn sure that if you join this course, you will get success in anthropology optional. And thank you and Jai Hind.